This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for December 4th, 2020. Corn market down 6, beans down 5 1/4, Chicago wheat down 9, Minneapolis down 3, Kansas City down 7. On the wheat, corn down 8 1/2, beans down 28 3/4, Chicago wheat down 30, Minneapolis down 14 3/4, Kansas City down 20 1/4. So you can kind of chalk it up to a slowdown in demand here a little bit this week, coupled with some potential rain events that occurred in Brazil and Argentina. As we come in here Monday, the big focus is going to be what does the forecast look like for Brazil and Argentina, and what's the demand structure around the markets. So we'll watch and see what happens. We look for consolidation right now until we see greater direction from those two avenues. But we got to remember, we got to feed the bull. We're at some pretty attractive prices. Demand has slowed, so again, consolidation should not come as a surprise. Whether we can break out or break down here is going to dictate, though, over the next few weeks off the structures we mentioned. Feeder cattle down 2 1/2, lives down 72 1/2, hogs down 15 on the week. Feeder cattle down 5, live cattle down 175, and hogs pretty much steady. Cash trade in the cattle, 110 to 111. Dress trade, 172 to 174. Box beef faded a little bit here this week. Exports were a big miss, and that's the problem with cattle right now. We're seeing some good cash values hold in there, but we need to see that demand continue, and with COVID and a lack of exports here the last couple of weeks, that brings concern around the cattle market. Hogs, on the other hand, cut out pretty much choppy. Index kind of settling in here around that $66 mark, and I would just consider this a consolidation phase for hogs. The weights are current, we're sitting well on production, but we really need to see that influx of demand to go, and we just don't see that happening right now. So consolidation is the path of least resistance. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon and great weekend.